Welcome to the Kapler.io series of data integration tutorials, where we show you how to automatically export data from your favorite apps. Hi, I'm Piotr from Kapler.io. Today I will show you how to export HubSpot data to Excel. Don't miss out on any of our data integration tutorials. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button to be the first to know about the new videos. To automatically import HubSpot to Excel, you'll need a Kapler.io account. If you don't have one yet, sign up for a free trial right now. No credit cards required. Then, click the Add Importer button. Choose HubSpot as a source application. Then, select Microsoft Excel as a destination app. Click Proceed. In this example, I will demonstrate how to export HubSpot companies to Excel. You can use the same method to, for example, export HubSpot contacts to Excel or fetch deals, tickets, products, and more. Let's start by naming the importer. I will go with HubSpot companies. Then, click the Connect button. Choose the account you want to collect the data from and authorize Kapler.io to import the data on your behalf. Next, choose the data entity you wish to import. I will go with companies. The following settings are optional and I will skip them as I want to fetch all the companies from HubSpot to Excel. Now, let's go to Destination Settings. Click the Connect button. Then, log in with your OneDrive or SharePoint account. Back in Kapler.io, select a workbook for your import. Choose also a sheet for your import. Alternatively, type in a name and Kapler.io will create a sheet for you. The following sections are optional and I will skip them. Press Continue. In the last stage, I will set up a schedule for an automatic data refresh. Switch the toggle on. I want to refresh the data every day at 9 AM sharp. I change the interval to every day. I add Saturday and Sunday to the schedule. Everything else looks fine, so I click the Save and Run button. While we're waiting for the importer to finish, please like this video and share with others if you found it useful. My import has now finished running, so I can click the View Results button. And here is a piece of my HubSpot export to Excel. Set up your HubSpot to Excel integration in just 5 minutes. With no coding skills required, Kapler.io has got you covered. Thanks for watching. Check out our other tutorials in this playlist. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact our support. Thanks.